Hi, nice meeting you. I'm DEEBOT OZMO T8, pioneered with TrueDetect 3D technology. I can detect objects as small as 1 millimeter and identify the obstacles instantly and precisely. TrueDetect 3D enables me to deliver powerful cleaning without collisions. Brand new True Mapping laser-based navigation technology maps your home for 2 times the coverage and 4 times the accuracy. Precisely displays the map on Ecovacs Home app. 3 levels of suction power, from the carpet to the floor. No dust will be missed. With the revolutionary OZMO Pro mopping technology, you can enjoy the high-frequency vibration mopping power and say bye to stubborn stains on the floor. And more. The multi-floor mapping technology maps every floor of your home. DEEBOT OZMO T8 senses everything, cleans everywhere. 2020 grand launch.